11 guaranteed ways to increase views on YouTube. Hey guys, JR Fisher here, and in this video I want to show you how to increase your views on YouTube. Now I've been on there for a few years now, and in the beginning I wasn't really serious about it, but I did get serious the past couple years, and we've seen a huge increase in our views, and we got monetized, which is a great thing because every single month I get paid for ads that run on YouTube. And you can do the same thing. All you have to do is watch this video to the end, implement these steps, and you too are going to get more views. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Hit that subscribe button down there. It's red. You got to click it, turn it gray, and when you do, a bell will appear like this. Oh, that was terrible. That's much better. Okay, you'll want to ring a bell like that and turn on all notifications. Click all notifications so that you're notified anytime I upload a video or if I go live. Don't forget, give me that thumbs up too. I'll wait for a second. Are you doing it? Good. Give me that thumbs up. I need that too. That helps the distribution of my videos. Okay, let's get right into it. Let's figure out what we need to do, and these steps are not hard, guys. Don't be scared. Anybody can do this stuff. If I can do it, you can do it. Anybody can do it. All right, let's get going. Number one is pick a niche. Okay, you want to be niche. I see too many people going on YouTube and they do a life blog, and nobody's going to be interested in that because they don't even know who you are. Sure, if you're Kim Kardashian, yeah, they're going to be watching your life blog, but if you're just a regular person in the United States or somewhere around the world, wherever you're watching this video, they just don't really care. So you need to niche down. You need to have a specialty. Now this channel is how to start, run, and grow online businesses. I could have just said, hey, business videos, but that's pretty broad. Or I could have said online businesses, but that's pretty broad. So I teach you how to start, run, and grow online businesses. We are very niche down. I've seen a lot of channels that are like that, like cooking channels that just specifically work on barbecue. And let's say you're doing cooking videos and you're doing all kinds of cooking videos, you won't be as successful unless you do something that is a little bit more niche, and that's what you need to do. All right, let's move on to the next one. The next thing I want to tell you is to make videos that people are already searching for. That's so important. Too many times people will make videos about stuff they just want to make videos about, but is anybody really searching for it? Are they really interested in that? There's a lot of tools that you can use. You can use Google's keyword planner, and you can figure out what the large searches are. What are the keywords? You can pop those keywords in and see what they're searching for. Let me give you an example. Now in this screenshot right here, we put in best camera. But if you look below that, a lot of people are looking for best camera for YouTube or best camera for photography, best camera phone 2019. Best camera is only 800 searches. Best camera for vlogging goes down, and as you can see, it really depends upon what they are searching for, and that's what you want to make a video for. The next thing I want to tell you to do is rank your videos on Google. It is so important. A lot of times we forget about that and we think we're just going after the YouTube audience, when in fact Google will actually show your videos in search results. Let's take a quick look at this example. Now right here the search was how to make scrambled eggs, but look at this. All these videos popped up from YouTube, and you can see they're all YouTube channels. Okay, but the question is, how do you find video topics with the potential to get Google traffic? Simple. You just look for videos that already get traffic from Google, and you make videos about those topics. You go to Google and you search your topic and you see what videos pop up, and you make similar videos. You can make videos that are better than these. You can make videos that are longer than these. You can make videos that go into more depth, but make videos that are similar to ones that are already getting traffic, and you'll get traffic too. Number 4, make compelling titles that are guaranteed to get clicks. And what I mean by that is have results oriented titles. You could say things like how to lose 10 pounds in 10 days even if you've never exercised before and still eat the foods you want. Well, that sounds pretty interesting. Now that title's a little bit long, but you get the point. The point is, make a title that people are going to want to click on. Number 5, create eye-popping thumbnails. Thumbnails are so very important, guys. Most people are actually looking at videos on their mobile devices, which means a cell phone, a mobile device. So since they're scrolling through, if that thumbnail doesn't really pop out, if it doesn't really show them something that they're going to want to click on, they're going to get passed by. And I know some of you out there aren't even creating thumbnails. Don't let that happen to you. YouTube will actually make a thumbnail based on a screenshot, but it's not going to be a good one. Take a little bit of time, use Canva, use Photoshop, use whatever you want, but make a thumbnail. It's so very important. It's going to be eye-catching, and try to keep very few words on there. Maybe 1, 2, 3 words is all you need, or none at all works well too. Number 6 is write a great description. Make it very descriptive. A lot of people are scrolling through on their phone and they're trying to find a video they want, and they hit the description to see if it really covers what they want. Some of you out there don't even have descriptions. You got to have a description on every single video that talks a little bit about that video and gets the people interested. Number 7, get more views by leveraging series or playlist. Now, what's a series? I do series videos all the time, and I only have 2 or 3 videos in the series, but basically it's where we have part 1, part 2, and part 3 of a particular subject. And when you do that, it compels them to want to watch the next one. You can also put them in playlists. So maybe if you have a cooking channel, you have barbecue videos, and then you have Italian videos, and you have Asian videos, so that people can go to those playlists and binge watch all your videos. And that's exactly what you want them to do. Number 8, add end screens. What are end screens? End screens happen at the end of your video, and they have thumbnails of other videos that you've done on your channel. When anybody clicks on one of those videos, they actually start watching it. That's a great way to keep people on your channel and keep them watching videos. Number 9, add timestamps. Timestamps are great. Timestamps are right below your video in the description section. All you have to do is put the time in there, like 2.09, and then put a subject that's going to happen at that time, and all they have to do is click on that time and it will go to that part in the video. This is an automated thing that is already in YouTube. All you have to do is type it in. I will tell you, only put 1 timestamp per line, and only put a few words describing that timestamp. Don't overdo it. Don't put 100 timestamps in there, right? They don't want to have to read your whole video, but put a guide in there for them, maybe 8 or 10 different timestamps that will take them to the spot they want of your video, and you'll get more views. Number 10, publish your videos when your audience is there. Once you get some traffic on your site, you can go into your insights and you can actually see when the majority of your traffic is online, and that's the time that you want to publish your videos. Now, it's going to show your subscribers and it's going to show when they show up, so try to publish your videos right before they get there so that you can get more views. Now, if you don't have a lot of views yet, well, you don't know when to publish them. So there is an average guide that I want to put up on the screen right now so you can check it out, and it looks like this: Monday from 2 to 4 p.m., Tuesday from 2 to 4 p.m., Wednesday 2 to 4 p.m. Looks like there's a pattern here. Thursday from 12 to 3 p.m., Friday from 12 to 3 p.m., Saturday, now see how it switches, Saturday 9 to 11 a.m., and Sunday from 9 to 11 a.m. Now we're down to our last one, and I will tell you, all of the ones I gave you before this were absolutely free. They didn't cost you anything at all, did they? No, they were absolutely free. They just took a little bit of effort, and really not a whole lot of effort, as you can see, and they all work. Number 11 costs you a little bit of money, but it will drive a lot of traffic to your channel, and that's running search ads. And what does that mean? When somebody searches for a particular topic, your video shows up in the search results so that you can get more views. This is a great way to boost your channel, to get more subscribers, to let people know about you. You should always keep these search ads running all the time to help you build your channel and to get more traffic. I hope this helps you out. It's really not hard to do. All of these steps I gave you, all 11 of them, are very easy to do, and only one of them costs you any money, and you can spend very little. You could spend $10 a day on that if you wanted to, or $5 a day, whatever you choose to do. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do me a favor, comment below, let me know what you thought of it. If you have any questions about starting and running and growing online businesses, please put your questions below. Or if you just want to say hello and let me know what you thought of this video. Do you have a channel? If so, put below what your channel is. Tell me about your channel. I want to hear about it, and my audience will also see it. Don't forget, make sure you subscribe, turn that red button to a gray button by giving it a thumbs up, and ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live. Oh yeah, I've got a $97 course below. It's absolutely free for a limited time. Go down there, click that link, get that free course. No credit card required. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you haven't done so far, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.